Hello children, hello parents. Let us understand the sounds of the alphabets. The first alphabet is J, J jug, J J joker, J J jim, J J jam. This is N, N noodles, N N nest, N N nut. X, yam, yacht, yak, yo, yellow. Lamp, lion, lily. Z, remember this is Z, zebra, zoo, zip. Table, tin, tiger. Basket, baby, bun, bus. Duck, door, desk. Monkey, moon, mouse, man. Pencil, peacock. This is R. I love this sound. R. Roll your tongue and say R. Run, rat, road. This is queen, quack, quill. This is snake, sun, soap. This is horse, hut, house. This alphabet is gun, gate, gum. This is for fan, for fish. Now in the alphabets we have a pair which has the same sound. V and W both have the same sound, and that is V. This is a flat V and this is a rolled V. You have to touch, for this you have to touch your teeth to your lower lip and say it is flat. So van, vegetables. And this is round, so it will have to, you have to make a nice whistle kind of structure of your lips and whistle. Window, watch. Right. Then another pair which has the same sound is this. K. This is cup and this is K. Now to differentiate over here, what we do is we call this kicking K. Okay? Because this K has a leg. It can kick. So we call this as a kicking K. They will remember this. You can say this is kicking K, and this is just as cup, cup. Okay, I hope you understood the sounds of the consonants. Thank you.